What's up, Headless Horde? Welcome back to the channel. All right, guys, so today we are going to go through and I'll show you how to exactly edit and then change your exclusive portal points for SDCC. Don't forget, these are all due tomorrow, which will be Sunday, July 16th. So you want to make sure that you have everything that you want. And don't forget to check out those signings. Make sure they have not been canceled because a whole bunch of them have been. All right, so what the first thing you're going to do is jump onto your portal page, just like you see here. You can see here that I have UCC distributing, and this is all for preview night. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away one of these, and I'll put it to Mattel, and that way you can kind of see how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is, if you're not on the screen, you're going to go up to where it says account and go to your account and dashboard, and then that will bring you to this page. Next, you're going to go to my orders. When you get to my orders, you can then see it says refund and remove. Now, it's a little bit wonky. So what you need to do is click the one you don't want. So for example, I will click the first one. It will say, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Okay. And it will take a few seconds for it to pop up and notify you that it has been removed. So you can see here, refund and removal has been successful. Once you close that, okay, so now you can see it does say removed and it's not awarded. If that's the only thing you want to remove, you're going to then scroll on down until you see this right here where it says view details, manage add-ons. Once I click on that, you can now see I have 1 out of 7 remaining. So then now I can go ahead and click whatever Mattel one I want. For the sake of this video, I removed it, but I'm actually keeping the UCC on preview night. So I'm just going to re-add that. But again, you can go ahead and add in whatever you like. Obviously, on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you can go ahead and you have many more options. Once you save it, it says it's successfully saved. You're going to check out. You're going to go ahead and click through the statement there, agree to it, save, and then you're going to process that order. And then if we head back to our page, our account dashboard, you can now see that it is all good and they're all been added again. So that is how you want to remove one of the points or all of your points if if you put them all in, let's say, a signing that has been canceled. All right, guys, let me know if this video helped you out. Leave a comment below if you have any other questions. Again, don't forget to have all of this submitted by tomorrow, July 16th. All right, keep your heads on, and I'll see you guys in the next video.